Greetings, guys. Today, we're exploring another exciting feature of QuickAds.ai. We're going to create bulk ads in just a few steps. Let's start by using TBWA as our brand, just like we did before. Now, we have to select the ad size. In the advanced options, you'll notice there's an option for Google-optimized banners. But for now, we're selecting the Facebook and Instagram post sizes. We've got several image options here, including stock images and AI-generated assets. I'll choose this one. It fits the brand perfectly. All right, let's hit create and generate the ad. Here we got our ad. On the left, you can see there's an option for bulk create. Let's go ahead and select that. Now we have to select the variation of our ads. Choose accordingly. And here you go. Multiple ads have been created in bulk, just like that. Best part? All of these templates are editable, giving you full control to tweak and adjust as needed.